Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your statements in eDelivery portals, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of authentication in eDelivery portals. Gather all necessary documentation required for your statements. Access the eDelivery portal through your preferred web browser. Locate the login section on the portal's homepage. Enter your credentials, including your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, follow the registration process to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can upload or input your statements. Check for any specific format requirements for the documents. Upload the required documents directly to the portal. Select the option to verify or authenticate the documents. Review any additional prompts or requirements for authentication. Ensure all information provided is accurate and complete. Submit your documents for authentication. Wait for the portal to process your request. Monitor your notifications for updates regarding your submission. If authentication requires additional steps, follow the instructions provided. Keep a record of your submission for future reference. Once your statements are authenticated, download any confirmation receipts if available. Regularly check the portal for any updates regarding your account or further authentication needs. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate your statements in eDelivery portals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.